Hello friends, in this video you will get the information about how to forget your chess online banking registrations. Okay, this is the user manual for this. So you firstly go to chess login page, visit the official chess website www.chess.com. Okay, this is the user manual process. When you click on that, there is the options to forget your username or password. Okay, now you have to click on that. Click on forgot username password. On the sign in page, click on the link below the sign in button. When you click on that, the step third, select forget password. Choose the option forget password to continue, forget username password, forget username or forget password. So I click it on forget password, then I have to click on that. Now enter your username. Forget username. So enter your chess username and click on the next button. You have to enter our username. After that, step 5, verify your identity. Choose a verification method to confirm it's you. It's about email, text message, phone call. Verify your identity with your email, text message and phone call. So I click on email button. After forgetting the process of password, enter verification code. Enter the verification code sent to your selected method and click the next button. So you get your 6 digit or 4 digit code, or so you have to enter on that. You click it on email, then check on your email, and click it on your mobile number, then click on your mobile number to get check the password, to check the code. After verifications, this is the step 7. What is this in the step 7? Create a new password. Enter your new password. Make sure it meets chess password requirements. Create a new password. When you are clicking on, then you have to set your new password. Okay. Always remember, when you set up your password, always set a complicated password. In the password, you use your uppercase value, lowercase value, numbers and special characters, and minimum 8 to 32 digits of passwords. What are the password requirements? This is the password requirements. When you are set up your simple password, then it does not work. You have to set a complicated password. Your password must 8 to 32 characters. Like just for examples, this is the uppercase value, this is the lowercase value, this is the numbers, this is the special character at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage. This is the special characters. When I'm set up a password, this is the when I use uppercase value, lowercase value, then I use special characters, then I use numbers. Okay, now in this you can see this is the demo password, this is the sample of password. I used that all the necessary things like uppercase value, lowercase value, special characters and numbers. So also you have to set all the characters, all the set up your, when you are set up your password. Always remember, when you are set up your password, don't forget to put a complicated password. Step 9, password reset successfully. You will see a confirmation message that your password has been reset. Success, your password has been resetted. After that, sign in with new password. Go back to the login page and sign in using your new password. Welcome to chess. Username is on your passwords and then sign in your account. Thank you. Thanks for watching.